In this video, we're going to be exploring the practice section of the Pearson Online English Premium subscription. Under this section, you'll find the grammar guide and the word bank. Firstly, let's turn our attention to the grammar guide. This section lists all the grammar concepts in the English language. These concepts range from basics from the alphabet
A,
to more complex concepts such as the passive voice. Each concept has explanations and examples, as well as links to units which will allow you to practice this new concept. Now turning our attention to the word bank. This section is also extremely useful. It stores all the words you've encountered throughout your studies. Here, you can learn how the word functions in a sentence, see definitions, and study examples of the word used in context.
Broadly.
You can even complete pronunciation practice. POE allows you to record yourself speaking and then test your pronunciation to ensure you're putting vocal stress in the appropriate places.
Concrete.
Concrete. This is the perfect way to ensure vocal fluency, which can often be the most difficult part of learning a language, particularly online. The word bank also allows you to filter your vocabulary to achieve more targeted practice. In the vocabulary review section, you'll be able to access all the words you've seen highlighted throughout your studied texts. Here, you can play the word
pioneering,
and guess the definition. Then, flip the card to see the correct definition,
pioneering,
as well as examples of the word used in context and the correct category of the word. Then, you can select whether you know the word or not. This helps you to keep track of your learning. So this has been the practice section of the Pearson Online English Premium subscription. In the next video, we'll be looking at the live instruction section.